Hi friends, myself Raja Prasad from Automotive Showroom Panjaguta. So let me introduce the XUV700. So the XUV700 is a global product that have been successful in this segment. So when it comes to the XUV, the intelligence that drives the XUV700 is the adrenals. When it comes to the hyper features of the XUV700 is the sci-fi technologies and critical performance, and it has a world-class safety and unpleasant. It has a world-class safety and tough, sophisticated and unmeasurable performance. When it comes to the power of this, it's a 200 bhp for the petrol, and it got the in the diesel we get the 185 bhp. So the power it has got from 0 to 60, it comes under 5 seconds. When it comes to the XUV, the headlamps which comes with the LED headlamps with the turn indicators with the auto booster inbuilt, and it has a sequential turn indicators. So let me introduce the we have Mahindra have been new logo. So it indicates that the Mahindra have been developing in the global wise, so in a technology and it's in the growth. Also it has got the more powerful engine which comes with the manual and diesel transmission in this. So when it comes to this, we get the arrowhead LED tail lamps with the indicators inside.
Ready.
It got the smart door handles. So once we have the key, so it automatically pops up, it opens. So this is the unique feature, sir. It's a welcome tree track. So it's welcoming us to come and sit. Like it is easy for us to in and exit for our convenience. So as you can see, very comfortable. So it automatically is come back. So for our comfort zone, so we can adjust the seat according to our comfort. When it comes to the interior of the XUV700, so we get the wide dual super screen like in 10.25 inches. So we get the broad 10.25 inches screens in this. So and so we get the drive modes in this. Like we can customize the zip, zap, and zoom mode. So according to our drive comfort. So we have the customized drive also in this. So the mostly the Alexa in this we have the Alexa voice assist system. So which controls all the sunroof and the voice commanding systems for the screen, and we have the number of features in that. So and so we have the inbuilt Sony 3D sound system in this, and we have the Adrenals Connect. And when it comes to the in this we have the 360-degree camera. So for easy operating, so we can have all the 360 degrees camera, so that we can have the hassle-free drive in this, and dual zone FRTC in this. So according to comfort, we can adjust the AC. So in this we have the knobs for the easy and comfort drive. So we have the 360-degree camera, so it can be operated just pressing this button. And we have the drive modes for that we can just press, so we can have the comfort of drive according to our need. And we have the smart charging phone. And we have the transmission, so where it can be have the we can drive in the drive mode or auto transmissions, and also we have the electronic power brake and auto hold, and we have the interlink control. So it's for the very comfort drive, so that we can control our infotainment system by not pressing over there. So we can have the only control over just pressing this. And in this we have the features like we have the tiltable and telescopic features, and the voice phone control and the volume controls in this. So, and in this we have the latest features like the ADAS and the cruise control. So ADAS is for the very comfort drive for the highway drivers, and autopilot mode also in this. And when it comes to the seating position, so we have the 3 modes in this. So we can have the 1, 2, and 3. So according to our comfort, so we can adjust the seating comfort. So just by pressing the memory and the one number, so it automatically operates. When it comes to the mirrors, so for the auto mirrors, so we can fold. Alexa, open sunroof.
Okay.
Alexa, close sunroof.
Okay.
Alexa, play music.
Here's Hangama music.
So when it comes to the Sony audio system, so we got the 3D systems like immersive 3D sound. So it's feel like a theater, and the stage, party mode, and the breeze. And this is for the 3D off. So it's according to your comfort, we can change the sound music system. So in this we get the 12 speakers in this overall. When it comes to in this 12, we get the 12 speakers, and also we got 7 airbags in this. So like we have the curtain airbags extended till third row. And when it comes to the emergency, like we have the SOS system for this. So in this we got the buttons. So just it goes to the call like 108 for the emergency. In this we get the immersive 3D sound technology by Sony. So in this we have the like 5 stages, so that according to comfort sound system we can changes the modes. So we have the immersive 3D sound and stack, the party and the breathy, and we can have the 3D sound also. In this we get the music system like the immersive 3D sound system. So by Sony. So in this we have the 5 stages for the comfort of the music present. So we have the immersive 3D sound, stage, and the party and the breathy mode, and also we can off the 3D off also. So in this we get the 12 speakers in overall the vehicle. In this we have the very pleasant drive comfort. So it's a very adaptive drive experience if you are driving in a hatchback or a SUV. So it's very adaptive. So for the driving and a very thrilling performance. So you can enjoy the driving of the XUV 700. Hope you all have the wonderful experience about the XUV 700. Thank you.